What's up, Filipinas? Welcome to another episode of WebCast. And our topic for today is about investing. And alam nyo ba, guys, na ang unang investment na sinubukan ko 10 years ago, at kahit ngayon naman, meron pa rin ako, ay ang stock market. That was the time na nag-start pa lang ako mag-shift ng mindset from spending to investing. And that time, wala pang masyadong nagtuturo on how to invest in stock market online. That time, nagpunta pa ako sa PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange, sa may Ortigas. Mag-isa ako umattend ng seminar. Hindi kagaya ngayon na may mga online coaches na tayo na nag-share ng knowledge nila on how to invest. Kagaya ng guest natin ngayon, she is a teacher and OFW, but she also helps our teachers and busy employees invest a part of their hard-earned money in the stock market. She is also the author of the book, My Buckets That Boost My Bucks. My Buckets That Boost My Bucks. And Teacher's Guide to Stock Market Investing, which is ipamimigay natin mamaya after ng webcast. So let's call our guest for today, Miss Violeta De Palog. Hi, Miss Bio. Welcome to WebCast.
Hello! Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to be here and be one of your guests dito sa webcast.
Kamusta, Miss Viola? You're a teacher abroad, right?
Yes, I am okay. Yeah, isa po akong teacher abroad, China particularly.
Oh, China. Kamusta ang journey mo bilang OFW in China?
Masaya na mahirap. No? Masaya na mahirap. Hindi nga lahat mapapasa atin. There are times na we sacrifice other things. Masaya dahil medyo nadagdagan ng ating financial capacity. Malungkot, more on the malungkot dahil malayo sa pamilya, and then kakaiba ang kultura sa China, kakaiba ang lingwahe sa China, and I really had a lot of adjusting myself doon sa China. Yeah. Pero kung meron kang big dream talaga, malalampasan naman yung mga challenges na ito.
Pero right now, you're in Manila.
Yes. Dahil na-stop tayo during the pandemic. So right now, andito ako sa Manila.
How long you been in China, Miss Viol? Gaano ka nakatagal ka?
Ay, naku. More than a decade already. Doon na ako tumanda. Yeah, I've been in China since 2006, I guess, when I was still 24 or 25 years old. And then, see, I'm already 38. So, talagang isang dekada na.
Yeah. From being an OFW, how did you start investing in stock market? May nagturo ba sa'yo or sinong nag-encourage sa'yo na invest sa stock market?
Yeah. So, sa akin, wala sa vocabulary ko ang investment before. Siyempre, bata tayo, no? Pagkakuha mo ng sahod mo, bar or wherever you want to go, enjoy yourselves. And then, there is something na nangyari sa family. I went back home for a holiday, for a vacation. And then, nag-joy kami, nag-beach kami ng kaibigan ko. And then, after a week, namatay yung father ko. And then, that very sad moment sa family, we were unprepared. Unprepared ako financially kasi syempre nagastos na yung pera, wala nang savings. Na-realize ko, yun yung nag-trigger sa akin na bakit matagal na ako sa abroad ay wala pa akong ipon, wala man lang investment. And so nag-research ako ng other ways para parami ng pera, which is my first goal naman in going abroad. That's one of the reasons why I left my family behind and go to China. And then nag-research ako on how to make money first, no? How to make money. Nag-tutor ako, freelancing ako. Talagang gusto kong magparami ng pera kasi ayokong mangyari yung ganon na parang we were caught unprepared. Kanya nga lang, syempre nag-suffer yung profession ko. Yung magpupuyat ka sa gabi para gagawa ka ng mga freelance work, magpupuyat ka sa gabi para kumita lang ng kakaunting dollar sa kaka-type ko ng CAPTCHA or sa kaka-transcribe ko ng video into a PPT. And so, na-realize ko baka may other ways. And though nag-venture naman ako sa nag-venture naman ako sa import and export. Yan, bumibili ako ng things sa China and then binibenta ko dito sa Philippines. Okay, kanya lang, I was not very knowledgeable before about business, doing business. And then as well. And so, syempre mag-isa ko, i-repack ko pa yung mga yon, ipapadala ko pa. And then, yung mga nabili ko, hindi naman sila nabenta. And so sabi ko, meron bang ibang way, meron bang ibang paraan para ako naman ay kumita na hindi magsasuffer yung aking profession and health. Kasi hindi busy na ako. And so, nag-research na ako, nakita ko itong sabi niya, online investment that you can invest your money passively and you can earn passively. And then nakita ko first yung libro ni Francisco Colayco. Naghanap ako kasi I like reading books, but I like reading simple books. So nakita ko si Francisco Colayco, and then later on nakita ko ang libro ni Bo Sanchez, and then doon ako nag-start na pwede ko palang gawin ang investment kahit na nasa classroom ako. Yun yung start ng journey ko na sa investment. Kanya nga lang nakakalungkot kasi I spent too much time, I wasted too much time pala before I realized na these are gems na dapat I have invested pala my money before pa.
Parehas tayo, no? Ako rin, kasi mga nasa 26 na rin ako nag-start mag-invest sa stock market. So kung yung mga kinita ko pala nung, alam mo na, yung early 20s natin, na-invest na natin, no? So may konting pagsisisi, no? Pero somehow, okay lang. It's not too late naman. So kailan yan, Miss Biol? When did you start investing in stock market?
My father died in 2013, and then nag-go through pa ako ng learning stage. So at the early months ng 2015 na yata ako pumasok sa stock market.
2015. Oh.
Yes.
Ako, I started investing in stock market back in 2010. Pero gaya ng binanggit ko kanina sa mga viewers natin, wala pang mga online coaches noon eh. Kaya thankful ako, pati yung mga kasama ko ngayon na meron kagaya mo na online coach na nag-share ng knowledge na online. Dati nagpunta pa akong Ortigas para lang umattend at matuto. No? So, yun, isa sa talagang advantage itong internet natin. No? So, Miss Biol, can you give our viewers an idea, lalo na dun sa mga first time nila na narinig yung stock market? How stock market works, Miss Biol?
Yeah. Before that, yeah, you are right, no? Nung panahon natin, nung 2015 na nga, medyo kokonti pa lang yung nagtuturo about this. Talagang nahirapan din ako nag-start. If it's not about yung libro ni Brother Bo Sanchez na nabasa ko, hindi ako nagkaroon ng idea. And yet, even though nabasa ko yung libro na yon, talagang nag-DIY ako from the start. DIY talaga yung pag-aaral ko. So, doon ko natuklasan because I have a lot of hesitation. Siyempre, online. Diyos ko, baka may scam ako dito. Yung online ito eh. So, I have a lot of hesitations. And doon ko nalaman na ang stock market pala is something na kayang-kayang gawin ng isang tao. Basta siya ay may disiplina at meron siyang regular source of income. Siyempre, wala ka namang i-invest kung wala kang income. So, doon ako nag-umpisa ng pag-prepare ng mindset. Doon yun kasi yung very important. So, for me, ang stock market for me is I treat it as a business. I treat it as a business. I don't treat it as yung bili ka lang and then you make money tomorrow and then bili ka again. So, because of the nature of my job. And laging nasa classroom, laging busy with those. May mga times na hindi ako busy but it's not enough for me to watch the market. So for me, ang stock market, I put it in my mind na when I buy stocks sa stock market is I am putting my money there. I let my money grow. So usually, para sa mga nakikinig ngayon na mga newbies sa stock market, so usually stock market is parang nasa palengke, nasa store, parang nasa sari-sari store ka na gusto mong bumili ng asukal, pupunta ka sa sari-sari store, pupunta ka doon doon sa tindera ng asukal, and then ibibigay mo yung pera mo, and then bibigyan ka ng 1 kilo, ganon. So sa stock market works like a palengke as well. Kanya nga lang, syempre hindi asukal ang mga binibenta doon, but binibenta nila mga shares ng companies. And katulad din sa isang tindera or sa isang palengke, hindi ka basta-basta makakabili ng shares mo kung walang tindera, wala yung mga tinatawag natin mga brokerage firms or brokerage companies. Ayan. And then we buy shares, and then ikikip natin yung shares na yun, and then we expect na mag-grow yung pera natin by pag na tumaas din yung price ng shares. Parang yung sa nung bata ako, nagbebenta ako ng carrots. I grew up in a farm. And may mga carrots kami, may mga paninda kami. So bali ang ginagawa namin para hindi na ako pumunta sa palengke, binibenta namin doon sa mga retailers. Yan. So, bibilhin ng retailers sa amin yung carrots or kamatis. So, kunyari, binili niya sa amin ng 10 piso. Pag pupunta naman siya sa palengke, ibibenta naman niya ng 15 pesos. Ayan. So, parang sa stock market din, we buy stocks, for example, para sa halagang 10 piso, and then ibibenta din natin sa halagang 15 pesos, then we earn from that gain. Yun yung isang nagustuhan ko sa stock market, because I no longer need to magpawis-pawis pa, no, para kumita ng 5 piso bawat share. And if you are patient as well, you can also earn from the dividends. Kasi ang natutunan ko sa stock market kasi is, if you buy a share, it's kasi nga sabi ko, when I buy stocks, I treat it as a business. So syempre, if you have a business, magkakaroon din ng gain, at magkakaroon ka ng tawag nito, magiging co-owner. Tama ba yung pagkaka-explain ko niyan? Yan yung alam mo ba nung first time kong nakabili ng stocks, yung first na stocks ko na nabili is SM. Abay, very proud ako. Yung feel ko pagpapasok ako sa SM North, sabi ko, meron din akong shares nitong SM na ito, pag-aari ko din yung SM. Yung it gives, what I want to say is, it gives you yung sense of pride that something, may asset ka, na kahit na busy ako sa school, busy ako sa abroad, at simpleng OFW lang tayo at teacher, nagawa ko from my salary na mag-set aside para ako ay magkaroon ng isang asset. And hindi lang basta-bastang asset ng isang malaking company such as SM na naging una kong shares yun. So siguro yun yung masishare ko on what is stock market, on how to look at stock market.
Big time pala ito yung interview. May-ari ng SM.
Siyempre, checkin yung bag kung may-ari ako nito, sabi mo dun sa gwardiya.
Hindi ko na matandaan yung unang binili ko, pero isa sa mga nagbigay ng gain sa akin, yes, yung Double Dragon. Back in 2013 ba 2014, mga ganun eh. Hindi ko na matandaan. Pero you're not checking your parang account in stock market every day. So parang di ba may mga active investors na daily, talagang the whole day sila nakatutok.
So gusto ko din sana na i-check araw-araw or mag-trade araw-araw. But because of the nature of my job, hindi ko siya nagagawa. Siguro nagte-trade ako or binibisita ko siya araw-araw kapag summer holiday, kapag meron kaming holiday sa school. So, because of that, yun nga pala, thank you for asking that. So, when people ask me about investing in the stock market, natatakot sila because yun nga, wala silang time to time the market, yung term nila pag sa stock market. Wala silang time to time the market. Lalong-lalo na mayroon nagtanong sa akin noon, isa siyang sundalo. O syempre, yung sundalo nasa buntok. So, there's no really enough. Yes, kung saan na-deploy. So, natatakot siya how to put the money in the stock. So, thank you for asking that, because there are many ways naman to put the money in the stock market. So, yung tanong ninyo na hindi ko ba siya na-visit every day, if I have time in one day, binivisit ko siya, tinitignan ko siya, but I don't really engage in trading every day. But if you have enough time and you want to trade as well actively, then maganda ring pag-aralan mo ito. So my point is, when we invest in the stock market, pipili tayo nung strategy or yung paraan na nababagay sa atin, nababagay sa personality natin, nababagay sa trabaho natin, ganon.
I agree. Sa time natin, no? Kasi kung wala ka naman masyadong time, so hindi mo ma-check siya everyday, no?
That's correct. Opo, opo.
How much money do they need to start investing in stock market?
Thanks for asking that as well. This is a very popular question. When I started investing in stocks, and when I started learning about investing in stocks, isa din yan sa mga tanong ko kasi parang can I do I have the money to put in the stock market? Ay wala akong ipon eh. Hindi pa nga ako makabili ng sasakyan or hindi ako makabili ng motor. Paano ako mag-invest sa stock market? Because a lot of people think na stock market is for people who have a lot of money. But then when I did my research back then, I just need 5,000 pesos to open my trader account. And parang talaga as in 5,000 lang, parang ganun ba? Parang really? Ganon. And so na-realize ko na this is really not for the wealthy people also, but it's also for everyone na merong a regular source of income and pwede rin sa mga busy people katulad ko. So I opened my trader account with 10,000 pesos. Actually, buwan-buwan ako nagpapadala sa bahay. So sabi ko sa bahay, pwedeng mag-ulam muna kayo ng talbos ng kamote. Kasi yung allowance yung sana pang-open ko sana ng trader account ko. Sabi ko, so yeah, it's just a joke. Pero what I want to say is we can start with a small amount of money. May mga different brokerage companies na ngayon, yung mga brokerage firm na may iba't iba silang requirements sa pag-open ng account. Meron ngang isa, you can open a trader account with 1,000 pesos, but others are asking, anong mabibili ng 1,000? But for me, it's not the question of anong mabibili ng 1,000, but it's the question of creating your habit of setting aside 1,000 a month para meron kang ipambibili ng stocks kapag dumating yung time na may naipon ka na to buy your stocks. Kasi kapag isi-set aside mo lang sa savings account mo yung 1,000, nawawala minsan yung discipline natin kasi madali lang siyang i-withdraw Ngayon may Shopee na, may GCash na, may Grab na. Dali-dali mo lang ilagay sa transfer mo lang sa e-wallet mo. Not unless na kapag discipline ka talaga na nakapag-open ka ng account mo with 1,000 and then another month you again put 1,000, parang ipupondo mo lang doon, then that's I guess is much better than just putting your 1,000 in your savings account. And it still depends on your goal talaga kung gusto mong bumili ng stocks mo buwan-buwan ng 1,000 or gusto mong ipunin. So yes, you can open an account, your trader account. You can start with 1,000 pesos if you wish. Kung I believe your money is over 1,000, may 2,000 ka, nakaka-grab ka nga dyan ng Starbucks, dagdagan mo na yung 1,000 mo, pwede, yan. Okay, so my point is we can start with a little amount of money. You don't need, gustong-gusto ko yung line na ito, narinig ko ito sa isa sa mga speakers ng Metrosec. Sabi niya, you don't need 1 million to create 1 million. You can start small. Talaga and create the habit of saving and investing. Ayun.
Yun, narinig nyo ha. Saka big wins start from small wins. Diba? So,
yes.
Hindi naman, saka talagang malaking bagay na before you start doing business or investing, you have the right mindset. Kagaya nung sinabi mo, Miss Pion, na 1,000 lang to, baka mamaya iniisip mo, magiging milyonarya ka na agad sa 1,000 na sinet aside mo, di ba? So yun nga, parang kailangan gawin mo siyang habit na paulit-ulit mo siyang gagawin mo siyang lifestyle. Marami kang adjustment. Then, hindi pwedeng, may 1,000 na ako, yayaman na ako, di ba? So, Ms. Biol, in the PSE's record back in 2018, the total account reached more than 1 million. So, ibig sabihin, tumaas ng 25% compared sa record ng 2017, yung mga Filipinos na nag-i-invest in stock market. But still, it's less than 1% pa rin ng population natin. What do you think is the reason bakit kokonti pa rin ang nag-i-invest sa atin?
That's correct. I think one of the reasons na kukunti pa lang ang nag-iinvest sa stock market is um, yung kulang siguro ng awareness. Kulang ng awareness ang society, ang community, ang ordinary employees like me. Kasi ako, nung sinabi kong stock market, ano yun? And then I asked my co-teachers, I asked my friends, do you know stock market? Ano yan? So, and then when we ask our families and friends, ilang percent lang talaga sa kanila ang aware sa stock market. And then we listen to televisions and we listen to media. They don't really talk about stock market in layman's terms. Meron sa Bloomberg, meron sa Money Talk, but it's not really sa mas ano tayo sa mga teleserye, yun yung nasa prime time na time. So mas aware tayo kay Cardo sa Probinsyano kaysa sa stocks ni Ayala or stocks ni ano yun, mga companies na CNPF na talagang ganito. So my point is we lack awareness. Yun yung number one reason kasi kahit na professionals, when you talk about stocks, hindi sa pagmamalaki, but it's really truth. It's really a sad fact na kahit mga professionals are not aware of what stock market is. And this is very funny. I find it not so funny siguro. The word funny is probably not proper, but I find it sad. I find it very sad na when I went to a branch, hindi ko na pangangalanan kung ano yung branch ng bank na ito. When I went to that branch and I asked about opening a stock market account with them kasi they also have a brokerage firm. I asked one of the clerk there, so tinanong ko paano ba ako mag-open ng stock market account sa inyong brokerage firm, and sabi niya ano po yun. So it's a very sad experience na kahit pala yung mga bank workers o nagtatrabaho sa banks na meron na silang sariling brokerage firm, they are not aware of what stock market is. That's yun yung number one problem.
Awareness. Number one, awareness.
Oh yes, awareness talaga. And another one siguro, may mga aware na pero yung the fear of being scammed, the fear of syempre naglipa na no ang scam dito sa hindi lang sa Pilipinas but everywhere. Sa investment scams, mga pyramid schemes ganyan. And then syempre hindi nila nakikita yung pag-grow ng pera. And then again, it still goes into awareness kasi when you say this one stock market o ano yan, scam yan. Bibigay mo ang pera mo dyan, mag-fishball ka na lang. That's really a true story. I sent an email about stock market investing and then I received responses like, scam yan, yung pera ko ipambibili ko na lang ng fishball at magfi-fishball stand na lang ako. So we are still in the mindset of traditional businesses, which is not very bad. Traditional businesses are really good. Kanya nga lang, if you are a teacher like me, do you have time to go to the banquet or go to the kalye to sell fishball while you are teaching in your classroom? So yun siguro yung two things na reasons bakit kukunti pa rin sa atin ang nag-i-invest sa stock. One is awareness and then one is fear to be scammed, fear of the unknown. Yun siguro.
So awareness and fear of being scammed, fear of losing money.
Yes, fear of losing money.
Okay. Miss Biol, what is your 2-minute advice para sa ating mga viewers na gusto mag-try mag-invest sa stock market?
Yeah, thank you for that opportunity kasi I always tell this message to my subscribers sa community ko that investing in the stock market or investing in any businesses, specifically sa stock market syempre kasi yun ang topic natin, it needs discipline and time. And if you are not investing for yourself, you have loved ones, you have children, you have family who are depending on you. And siguro isa sa napakagandang gift natin sa kanila ay isang magandang buhay. And ang magandang buhay ay hindi natin na-attain in one sleeping lamang. So sabi ko nga we should start stopping yung ating sandwich generation. Nabasa ko yan dati, yung pagiging sandwich generation. One of the reasons bakit patuloy tayong poor sa ating family, sa ating generation is that patuloy yung cycle na ako, susuportahan ko yung anak ko, pero hindi ako mag-i-invest. Dahil pagtanda ko, yung anak ko, susuportahan ako, habang yung anak ko, sinusuportahan din yung kanyang nag-grow na family. And so dahil dyan, yung anak ko na sumusuporta sa nag-grow na family at sinusuportahan ako, nasa sandwich siya, ganon din, wala din siyang investment. So we will not stop the cycle of poverty sa ating family if we will not start investing now. If you think that you are old na mag-invest ngayon, 50 years old ka, 55 years old ka, for me, that's not the reason for you not to invest in the stock market or in any legitimate businesses, because you are not alone in this world. Maganda sigurong papanaw tayo sa mundong ito na meron tayong naiwang magandang alaala sa ating mga pamilya. When my father passed away, I'm not blaming my father. I'm not talking trash sa father ko, but I realized na when someone passed away na walang investment or walang naiwan sa family, instead na mag-grieve, instead na mag-concentrate na mag-grieve your family, is yung hindi ka makakapag-grieve totally, because you are also thinking about the money that you are going to spend after na ilibing yung isang namatay at anong mangyayari sa mga anak without investment na naiwan. Ayon. So, yun siguro yung advice ko. We should not only think of ourselves, but we should also think of our loved ones. That's why we are investing. And we should invest not only for ourselves, but we should invest for others as well. Kasi kung meron tayong investment, meron tayong kakayahang tumulong sa iba. Kasi kapag tutulong tayo sa iba, sabi, we should pray for them. Yes, prayer is very powerful. We should pray for people, but you don't use prayer to pay the hospital bills. You still need money to pay the hospital bills. Yun siguro yung may share ko.
Okay, nice. Galing. May pahabol na question ako, Miss Yol. Paano po kayo pumipili ng stock market, ng company sa stock market?
Yun, very, very important question yan. Because when we invest in the stock market, hindi lahat ng company ay bibilhin natin. Maraming
lahat bilhin nila no?
Oo. So, for me, I usually buy, kasi I am a long-term investor, and sometimes I trade, but I brand myself as a long-term investor. So, as a long-term investor, I usually choose companies na meron silang magandang historical performance, meron silang magandang, ang tawag sa stock market ay valuation, or meron silang magandang fundamentals. Yan. So, wag po kayong mag-nosebleed, kasi when you go to the internet and when you read things, meron namang explanation, kung ano yung titignan mo para ikaw ay makapamili ng isang magandang company. And para sa akin na isang long-term investor, I usually choose companies na matatag na silang mga companies, and dahil sila ay mga malalaki na, mabagal ang kanilang takbo. Dahil mabagal yung kanilang takbo, pag natitisod sila, hindi sila natitisod bigla-bigla. So, I mean, nababalance pa rin nila yung sarili nila, hindi masyadong nasasaktan kapag natitisod ang isang taong malaki na dahan-dahan humahakbang.
Okay. Okay, Miss Biol, are you ready for the fast talk?
Sige. Let's try. Fast talk, no explanation. No?
Yes, walang explanation, kailangan mabilis sumagot. Yun lang naman ang rules. Okay?
Okay, all right.
Fast talk, Facebook or TikTok?
Facebook.
Laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
iOS or Android?
Android.
Email or Messenger?
Email.
Aside sa Bible, paborito mong libro?
Paborito kong libro ay ang aking libro, My Buckets That Boost My Bucks.
Oh, paboritong kasabihan?
Ang pag walang isinuksok, walang madudukot.
Nice. Preferred way of learning, eBook or online course?
Online courses.
Kung bibigyan ka ng shares ng company, alin ang pipiliin mo? Apple, Google, or Amazon?
Amazon.
You have 100 million pesos. Anong startup company ang sisimulan mo?
E-com company.
Kukuha ka ng endorser para sa business. Sinong kukunin mo?
Bo Sanchez.
Group chat or Facebook group?
Facebook group.
Describe entrepreneurship in one sentence.
One sentence, entrepreneurship. Oh, fast talk. Come on, Violi. Entrepreneurship in one sentence. One word.
One sentence.
One sentence. Entrepreneurship. Nako, caught in the ako doon na. Okay. Entrepreneurship in one sentence. Ano yung tawag nito? Masakit. Kung gusto mong maglandi, magtiis ka sa hapdi.
Okay, last question. Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Lights on. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Biol. Any last message, Miss Biol, you want to invite them? You have e-book, free e-book. Nabanggit ko kanina, mamimigay tayo ng free e-book.
Ayan, thank you for this opportunity again. Yes, marami po tayong free ebook pero isa lang po muna yung ibibigay ko kasi naaakma sa ating topic today. So, I usually give free ebooks yung Teacher's Guide to Stock Market Investing. Ito ay hindi lang para sa teachers, para sa mga empleyado na busy, na gustong pag-aralan ang stock market at gustong makapag-umpisa. Yan. So, they can download this ebook. Punta lang sila sa website natin, www.i7investify.com. Yan. Free po yan. Wala pong babayaran.
Walang babayaran.
Yes.
Do you have Facebook page, Miss Biol?
Meron din po tayong Facebook page, Violeta Maingpis de Palog. I use my name kasi mas madali siyang hanapin. You can also find some materials there. But I am more active sa aking Facebook group. I am more active sa Facebook group. And right now, I am on my day 75 of my daily 100 Facebook lives. So for 100 days, I've been doing Facebook lives about the stock market investing, saving, passive income. So if you want to learn more, these are free materials as well. You can join the FB group for free. Kailangan mo lang sagutin yung tanong doon kasi I screen yung mga pumapasok sa Facebook live kasi Facebook group kasi ayokong maging bashing community yung aking Facebook. So I really control yung talagang gustong matuto. Yan. So you can follow me sa Facebook group na Stock Market Investing for Teachers.
Bakit for teachers? Pero it doesn't mean na for teachers lang siya.
Yes. For teachers, kasi I am a teacher and yung mga unang nagtanong kasi sa akin, paano mag-invest sa stock market? They are mostly teachers. So, and then kapag nakikipag-usap ako sa kanila, I usually use terms about school, about teaching na related sila. And then lumalaki yung community. So I am also expanding. I accept OFWs. There are some students as well na pumapasok. Nakaka-inspire nga yung mga students kasi nagtatanong sila paano daw sila mag-start sa stock market. Mga college students din sila.
So mga millennials pa lang gusto ng
yes. Nakakaingit nga sila eh. I should have started when I was their age.
Sana tayo nung mga early 20s natuto na tayo. Sana meron ng Miss Biol para may nagpo-coach na dati.
Nako, kakakilig naman yan.
Anyway, thank you so much, Miss Biol, for joining me today in our webcast. And sa mga viewers natin, kung gusto nyong matuto ng stock market, kahit teacher kayo o hindi, visit nyo lang yung website ni Miss Biol na binanggit niya kanina and get nyo na yung free ebook na sinabi namin sa inyo para makapag-start na kayo makapag-invest. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay, there you have it, Miss Violeta de Palog of iSave and Investify. Thank you so much for joining me today in our webcast, and to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching. And guys, keep in your mind that investment in knowledge pays the best interest. I'm Rupert Flores. Thank you and have a good day.